All right, let's do one more little wrestling mixer with beef. The last beef box. Undisputed, 18 NXT, Money in the Bank. Here's your letters. There are combo letters, F and Z, H and L, M and X, and U and V. Might be allowed back at work. Do you want to go back to work? I had to go out yesterday to drop off some cardboard, recycle some cardboard, and pick up a stupid pool part that broke. I went to the pool store and it was weird. It's like half people wearing masks, half not. And then the guy was like, I bought the part and the guy was like, cash or whatever? I was like, man, just cash. And he was like really put out by it. Zelina Vega to 99 to start. That's nice. Sabatelli squad. Thank you. Because apparently when I said I'm paying by cash, he had to like put on plastic gloves just to, you know, give me the change or whatever. And he was like, oh, hold on. I was like putting the gloves on. I said, oh yeah, it's the new world now. Tyler Bate. Sabatelli squad. He was not happy about it. Roderick Strong blue to 50. Oh, nice Shayna. Yeah, because I'm sure those germs stay on cardboard surfaces for a week while they go through shipping. Shayna is mean. Have you seen her wrestle? Eric Young. Otis! And Otis gets under that. Yay, Otis. Wait, where's O? Is it F-O? I know I have O on the... Hold on. It's not on my spreadsheet, but I swear I put it in the break description. Just for Otis. Hold on. It's G-O-W. Oh, I need to put that in the things. Sabatelli squad. Is there any other ones I missed? I think that was the only one. G-O-W. Yeah, it's just Otis now. Dosage. Buddy Murphy. He's one of Seth Rollins' disciples, at least last time I checked. UCCF. Last thing I watched, it was, you know, one of Zelina's guys, like, was maybe becoming Razor. The Authors of Pain. Have they written anything good lately, though? GC Tacos. Lars. DIY 45 of 50. Is it? DIY was Johnny and Ciampa. Bianca Belair. UCCF. Well, Lars got in trouble for some past things he did. And then he got hurt or something. I don't know. Fabian all over NXT today. A blue Fabian. Sabatelli squad. Oh, Kyrie. Adam Cole. Bailey. I miss this nice, cute Bailey. UCCF, not really a fan of heel Bailey. Doesn't suit her. And her haircut's terrible. Nothing beats a side ponytail. Riddick Moss. GC Tacos. Yeah, the wacky inflatable. I know, that was perfect for her. I mean, she did have that thing going for a really long time, so I guess it's good to change it up. But how does that usually work? Since I haven't watched wrestling as many years as some of you, like, will she ever come back to that Bailey? Probably. Maybe. Like, what has to happen? She has to feud with Bailey, and then Bailey is the bad guy, or something like that. Or she just goes away for a while and comes back as a nice Bailey after she loses the belt or something. Trying to think who I've noticed. See, I've only seen Seth Rollins go from good guy to bad guy. Who have I noticed go from bad to good? Oh, wow. Seth Rollins autographed at $199. Sabatelli squad. Is what's his name good again now? You know, phenomenal. AJ Styles? Is he good? Or is he still bad? I sound like my son. Is he good or bad? Oh, that's a Bobby Lashley to 5. Black parallel. UCCF. Wow. That's the best, worst card I've ever seen. After murdering Sami Zayn? Jeez, Sami Zayn looks dead in there. That's cool. Cool thing about wrestling is someone out there probably really wants that Bobby Lashley to 5. If you need to, you know. Worst comes to worst and you're down to your last Bobby Lashley to 5. Oh my gosh, more Bobby Lashley. Relic. That's a scary thought. Being down to your last Bobby Lashley to 5 and needing to hawk it for some groceries. Oh yeah, Drew went from bad to good, that's true. Miss. Becky. Brock Lesnar to 99. Brock Lesnar will never go to good. The most likable Brock Lesnar was when he came out with the Money in the Bank boombox thing. That's as close as he'll get to being like kind of funny, and I mean he was still like acting like a jerk. But Titus O'Neil to 50. Relic auto. What belt did Titus O'Neil have? I missed that. Sabatelli squad. Yeah, Roman Reigns has never been bad. Tag team belt. Hey, Tim. Rey Mysterio. Has Rey Mysterio ever been a heel? Probably. GC Tacos. And nothing. All right. Well, you didn't get anything really that great in Money in the Bank, you know. Just saying. 14 spots left for $19 in the other 6 boxes. That's the only other thing I have to do. If you guys want to do some wrestling. I don't have a single box of baseball or basketball or football here on me. I'm not doing anything else. Sorry. I've got to get to the sorting from this week. We did a lot. It is all about the beef. I realize that now. What a fool I was to think $19 Money in the Bank would be fun. It doesn't have beef. Killian Dane. Ziggler. It's the best. Dawson. Oh, there's the auto. Green Peraza. Wait, is she on AEW now? Or I read she was like at an AEW event. Scott Dawson. He is, huh? Deadly Squad. There's not a wrestling event today. Well, this is the wrestling event today. Yeah, UCCF knows. Kind of like basketball Saturdays I tried to do before. I want to do wrestling Sundays because I love opening wrestling. And we have a small but dedicated group. Well, I guess as long as there's beef. EC3. I kind of miss EC3. He was fun in NXT. UCCF. You hate him? No way. He's funny. He's a great character. Yeah, he can't really do much, but I like his entrance and his whole thing. Shelton Benjamin. Oh, happy Rusev Day, everybody. GC Tacos. I really miss Rusev and Aiden doing the Rusev Day stuff. That was fun. That was right when I first started watching. Rowan Orange. Big E. Elias. Oh, nice. Alexa Bliss to 120. Doug C. Awesome. Alexa Bliss relic auto. The Rizzo Wrestlers. Bailey, Rick, Lacey Evans, Logan. Oh man, getting the best now. Kairi Sane to 25. Beauty. Sabatelli squad, I'm jealous. I love Kairi Sane. Who wouldn't? Yeah. Drew, Shayna, Jinder, Sami Zayn, the worst, and Naomi. Naomi gets real split opinions from fans, huh? I love her. Liam. Yeah, I remember you can't stand her. I don't get it. I think she's great. Uso. Zelina Orange. You don't like Sasha? Uso. I know. Yeah, you do hate everybody. Dash Wilder to 25. At least we can all agree that we don't like Dash Wilder. Sabatelli squad. Nobody's worse than 9. Nobody's better than Miller. And Elias. One of my original favorites that's never done anything. UCCF. At least up until now. No spoilers. I don't know if he did something. Yeah, injuring people is not. Ms. Blue. Oh, that's the hit. Oh, wait, there's 2 hits. We have a Ciampa Relic to 99 and Bobby Roode to 99. UCCF and Sabatelli squad with the Ciampa. Oh, hey, Ben. Well, I haven't been letting any new members in lately because the lockdown here has made it so we're barely able to do 50-60% of our usual breaks. So yeah, he's a former member. Aiden English. Where do you have stuff to ship to ComC? I forget. Because you're in Australia, right? And the last hit, Adam Cole, Green Relic. Doug. All right, the final beef box of this run. How many did we make? I don't even remember. This one has 3. Unlucky number 13 beefs. All right. Oh, another. Wow, Chris Jericho. Transcended to 15. I've never pulled a Chris Jericho autograph ever. I think. I have to check the tapes, but I have? Out of what? Oh, maybe like Old Undisputed or something? I can't remember him being in anything. Yeah, maybe Old Undisputed. Goes by the first letter on the card. Oh, man. Double bliss in this break. Where's that? Dang, that's awesome. 17. Speaking of 17 undisputed, look at that. Doug C has the first 2 beef hits. Jeez. That's not the last card. There's a card better than that here? Maybe? Oh, it's a chrome, I think. What? Kofi Kingston Superfractor. Awesome. Dang, Omni, I didn't know you got that. Sabatelli squad. That rules. $2014. Is that the last year they did chrome, or was there 15 chrome? Who is he wrestling in that picture? I have no idea. Like Utami or something? Who is that? Well, it's 2014. Oh yeah, chrome is going to be insane. Bonus points, which equal nothing if you know who that wrestler is. I don't know. Dang, that beef box was crazy. Fandango. Possible. Adam Cole Relic to 50. Ms. Blue. Ciampa to 99. Bobby Roode to 99. Elias Vega. Dash Wilder. Naomi. Kyrie Sane blue. There's a Rowan orange parallel. Alexa Bliss to 120. Rusev Green, EC3. Deonna Purrazzo. Dawson to 99. Mysterio to 99. O'Neal to 50. Lesnar to 99. Lashley to 199. Oh, yeah, that Lashley. Black to 5. Seth Rollins to 199. Riddick Moss, Bailey, Fabian. Blue DIY. I think that's Johnny on there. Bianca Belair, Razar, Buddy Murphy, Otis, a blue Roderick Strong, Shayna, Tyler Bate, and Zelina Vega to 99. That was fun. Cliffy Super is awesome. You know, it's funny, Omni.